Welcome to the best picks. The best bleach for whites is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning agents for those who want to keep their whites bright and fresh, but with so many options available in the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using bleach effectively, ensuring you achieve sparkling clean whites without damaging your clothes. We will explore various types of bleach, their strengths and weaknesses, and provide practical tips for safe and effective use. Number 5. OxiClean White Revive. Say goodbye to dingy whites. It's the oxygen-based solution that whitens clothes 40% better than chlorine bleach, load after load. This isn't your grandma's bleach. It uses the power of oxygen to whiten and brighten your clothes without harsh chemicals. Worried about damaging your colored clothes? Don't be. It's completely chlorine-free and safe for all your washables. Simply mix it with water for a pre-soak, or add it directly to your washing machine. Follow the label instructions for best results. From t-shirts and sheets to shoes and uniforms, it makes all your whites look their best. It's the perfect solution for all your laundry needs. Get sparkling whites without the harsh chemicals of chlorine bleach. It's the easy and effective way to keep your clothes looking their best. What we like? This product boasts a powerful whitening action, 40% better than chlorine bleach. It's also oxygen-based and chlorine-free, making it safe for various fabrics. If you need a powerful yet gentle whitening solution for your whites, this is the one for you. What people say? It's removed so many stains. So far I've seen it get out these ketchup, grape juice, wine, blood, burgers, pizza, grease stains, red and blue food coloring and a few others I can't remember. I used the soaking method and then washed in hot water. The stains are virtually eliminated, leaving the white pants looking bright and fresh. It has brought life back to my whites, which had begun to dull after repeated washing. The brilliance and radiance it adds to fabrics are noticeable after just one wash, transforming my once lackluster white clothes and linens into vibrant, like new pieces. Number 4. OxiClean White Revive Power Paks. Say goodbye to dingy whites. It's the simple solution for brilliantly clean clothes, load after load. This oxygen-based formula whitens your whites 40% better than chlorine bleach. It's a powerful whitening boost for your laundry. It doesn't just whiten, it tackles stains too. Get sparkling clean clothes without harsh chemicals. Worried about chlorine spills? It's a chlorine-free alternative that's safe for colors and gentle on fabrics. Simply drop it into your washing machine before adding clothes and detergent. It's that easy. Bring your whites back to life with the power of oxygen. Experience the difference today. What we like? These convenient power packs deliver the same powerful whitening as the powder, but with less mess and fuss. Simply toss one in with your laundry. If you value convenience and powerful whitening results, this is your best bet. What people say? The OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover Power Packs are a game changer for keeping my whites bright and fresh. The power packs are so convenient to use, just toss one in with your laundry, and it helps remove stains and revives the whiteness of clothes without the hassle of measuring powder. Have used for years in a liquid form. Glad I found this in pod form. This product works great keeping the whites bright and removes tough stains. They are much easier and less messy to use than the powder scooping out of a plastic bag or container. They work just as good as the powder. Number 3. Out White Brite Laundry Whitener. Is your white clothing looking dull and stained? This powerful whitener will restore their brightness and make them look like new again. It tackles even the most stubborn stains, from dirt and rust to yellowing caused by hard water. Get sparkling clean whites every time. This laundry whitener is your secret weapon against dingy whites. It's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. It's safe for use on most fabric types, so you can confidently whiten all your favorite clothes. It's suitable for all washing machines. Simply add it to your wash as a pre-soak or booster. It's easy to use and will leave your clothes looking fresh and bright. With its powerful stain-removing and whitening action, it's the perfect solution for keeping your whites brilliantly white. Get ready for laundry that truly shines. What we like? This product is a powerful stain remover and whitener, tackling even the toughest stains and yellowing. It's easy to use as a pre-soak or booster. If you're battling stubborn stains and dingy whites, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I added half a cup to water and soaked it for 1-2 hours, then washed it with the other whites, and the shirt was bright and white, no more stains. Best product I've found for removing stains from whites. Has become a staple for me. Hit water setting works best. If your white laundry has gotten dingy, White Brite will have it looking better than new. I found that the hotter the water, the better it works. Towels, sheets, undershirts, anything white will whiter than new. It will also remove set blood stains from sheets. Number 2. Molly's Suds Oxygen Whitener. It's a powerful whitening solution, but don't worry, it's chlorine-free. This laundry booster is formulated with clean ingredients to safely revive whites and remove stains, leaving your clothes smelling fresh with a light lemon scent. Say goodbye to dull whites and dingy colors. It effectively eliminates yellowing and graying, brightening your clothes and restoring them to their former brilliance. It's safe for whites, bright colors, and mixed fabrics, but always test it on a hidden area first. This is your new go-to stain remover. Whether it's oil, wine, baby food, or makeup, it tackles a variety of stains. Just soak the stained item or apply it directly to the stain, then launder as usual. It's not just for laundry. Use it to clean your toilet, sinks, and bathtubs, removing hard water stains and adding sparkle. You can even use it in your carpet cleaner to deep clean and brighten your floors. You'll receive one 41-ounce bag of oxygen whitener, along with a measuring scoop. It's compatible with most washing machines and safe for most fabrics, excluding wool, leather, and silk. What we like. This option uses only clean ingredients, making it a safe and effective choice for sensitive skin and eco-conscious consumers. It brightens whites and also works as a stain treatment. If you prioritize natural ingredients and effective stain removal, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought a similar product from my EO company and then Molly's. I keep grabbing the Molly brand as it really works miracles for whitening my husband's t-shirts. It's so hard to find natural products that actually work. I love that it works and that my laundry is whiter, brighter, and colors are more vibrant. This product is well worth the money. It has bought up everything up glowing white, even the socks worn to go out the garden on a rainy day, with no shoes on, and stained badly with mud. Not a speck of mud on them now. It needs to be used to be believed. Absolutely fantastic. Number 1. Laundry Whitener Sheets. Do your whites look dull and dingy? These laundry whitener sheets will restore their brightness, making them look like new again. It's the simple solution for sparkling clean clothes. Using it is a breeze. Just toss a sheet into your washing machine with your regular detergent. It's that easy to get brilliantly white clothes. Unlike harsh bleaches, these sheets are chlorine-free and gentle on fabrics. They're safe for all your white and patterned white clothes, and won't damage your washing machine. They effectively remove yellowing and graying, leaving your clothes looking fresh and vibrant. Experience the difference of advanced whitening technology. Small, lightweight, and mess-free, these sheets are ideal for travel. Take them with you and keep your clothes looking their best, wherever you go. Whether you have a top-load or front-load machine, and prefer hot or cold water, these sheets work perfectly. Enjoy sparkling whites no matter your washing machine type. What we like. These convenient sheets are easy to use, mess-free, and perfect for travel. They're also safe and effective, providing a gentle whitening boost to your laundry. If you're looking for a hassle-free and portable whitening solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. I used 2 sheets on a giant load of cotton bedding. Also used a white vinegar rinse, as is my usual. I got crunchy, yummy, good-smelling cotton clean. No residue. Next load contains synthetics and blends. Those came out cleaner than they've probably ever been. These don't absorb any color or anything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.